Professor Cliff Rockface from Penistone University, and I specialise in how the coastline is shaped. So, what has the biggest effect on the coast? It's waves. When the wind blows over the sea, the friction causes a swell of the water and makes the particles in the sea spin round to make a wave. The size and strength of a wave depends on how strong the wind is, how long it has been blowing, and how far the wave has travelled. Waves can add things to the coast when they are constructive, usually when the sea is calmer, and can take things away from the coastline when they are destructive, usually in stormy weather. When a wave breaks on the beach, it is called the swash. When it runs back to the sea, it's called the backwash. If the swash is stronger than the backwash, then the wave is constructive. If the backwash is stronger, then it's destructive. So, how do waves change the coastline? Well, they can do 4 things. Firstly, they can cause coastal erosion, where rocks are worn away by debris like other rocks, plastic, metal and sea animals that are in the water. This is called abrasion, or alternatively, if air gets trapped in a crack in the cliff face and the force of the wave cracks the rock, this is called hydraulic action. And finally, when rocks and stones in the wave smash into the cliff face, making it break, this is called attrition. The second way waves change the coastline is when rocks are worn down through corrosion or solution. Salts and acids in seawater dissolve the rock gradually over thousands of years. And the third way coastlines are changed by waves is by transporting stuff like sand, rocks and other debris from places far away and places close by. For example, if the wave comes into the coast at a zigzag angle, then washes back straight, then it can move things along the coast. This is called longshore drift. The fourth way waves can shape our coastline is by deposition, which is where a wave drops rocks and sand after it has lost some power, because there isn't much wind or the sea is calmer or the wave has gone into shallower water. This is constructive because it builds up the coastline. So, you've heard all about how the coast is shaped, but of course the effect of all these things will depend on the type of rock that is in the coastline and what its structure is, because this will affect how quickly it's eroded. Also, the shape of the coast will make a big difference. If the area is sheltered, it won't get as much erosion as a cliff that has waves crashing straight against it. So, there you have it. That's how coastlines are shaped and formed. Thanks for listening, class.